Hello, I'm Gary Fairking. I am the social studies teacher here at Eureka Junior Senior High School. I teach government and world history, and I have a seminar at the end of the day with a bunch of junior high kids. Um, Extra responsibilities I have this year has became more since this is my second year here at the building. I am just got done with junior high football season. I am helping with high school football. I'm also part of the BLT, not the Make a List Tomato, but the building leadership team this year for the social studies department. That's a new adventure for me, being new to education. Part of that, I'm also part of the junior high track team. I'm the assistant coach for that. I'm assistant forensics coach. So I tend to do a lot of things when I get involved in schools, which I enjoy very much so doing. Um, that's part of being a teacher. I like being around the kids and seeing them in different aspects, definitely from the sports to the forensics is definitely a different type of kid. But I like doing it and being around them. And my wife may not like me being gone all the time, but she enjoys that too part because we kind of argue about which TV show we're going to watch. So she's not going to be like me having me done junior high football now. So, anyways. Who has most influence in my life would be between my father and my uncle and my mother. My mother is not with us anymore, but she is very influential because she is a very caring and loving person. And I think that's where I get my compassion from a lot of things in my life is from her. My father is kind of telling me to not be a pig farmer and try to do something better in life than being a farmer. Nothing wrong with the farmer profession, but he said, do you want to work with your mind or your back? And I decided, hey, the mind thing's a little better than the back. And my uncle, he's just always been a hard worker. He may not go the fastest, he may not do the stuff the best, but he will keep with it no matter what. I farmed with him for 17 years, since I was 12 till 2 years ago when I left the farm to start my teaching career. And he taught me that no matter what, you might as well just keep on going. Bad days are going to happen, and you keep on pushing through those bad days. And hopefully, it might be a good year here or there, or good times here or there. But just keep on pushing through. Just don't quit. That's why I have a feeling. That's why I try to teach my kids in my classes. Just don't quit. Just keep on going. Keep on trying to do the best as you can. Results of my personality test, I thought they're pretty dead on. That I'm very agreeable. I'm pretty open to stuff. The one part that said that I was kind of stuck in my, not stuck, but more conservative in my ways and stuck in my ways is that on some stuff, yes, I am, but others, I don't really think I am. I'll be pretty open to people. I'm pretty, easy to get along with. I'm willing to listen to ideas because I'm not saying my ideas are always the best. I'm not saying their ideas are the best, but I'm willing to work our ideas together to make sure we get the best situation for our kids and for the school and community that we can. But otherwise, I thought the test was pretty well dead on. The two leadership theories that I went with was the democratic leadership theory, and that's having to work as a group, trying to get towards a group goal. That's what our BLT meeting is. That's how I feel like how I would want to do stuff is to have input from all the different people in the building to see what your thing is, but the ultimate decision is down to me. That I think to be a good leader that you just, I know we have some good leaders that just do it all on their own, but to me, I think to have everybody's cooperation, understanding is having everybody put their 2 cents to it and come together, and for the leader to make a decision on what's going to have to be. The whole thing's you have to follow through sometimes. Okay, and the other one I went with was the situational leadership. I get a lot of that in coaching with the situation. You have to change year to year to year to year, depending on what kids you have, depending on what kind of people you have. I think that's a good one for me. Is that that I'm able to get along with people and stuff like that, and able to get stuff going together. So I think that's a good way to go. And I know that's not always the easiest way to do because people, don't like to always switch it, but it's hard for the person to do it because you got to understand different people. Good morning. Understand people with different learning abilities. So.